addressing the underlying causes of conflict and the needs of at-risk members of population by increasing our focus on human security, applying a common security approach to finding solutions for establishing a shared sense of security, monitoring the early warnings of conflict and preventing escalation through disarmament, reducing military spending, shifting budget priority, and holding governments to account, working towards demilitarization of cyberspace and artificial intelligence, instead harnessing their potential for scientific breakthroughs, international cooperation and peace, restoring trust in multilateralism. I thank you.